In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to Wix. We're going to link your Wix website to Google Analytics 4 using the built-in Google Tag integration, so you can start collecting accurate traffic and engagement data without touching any code. All you need is access to your Google Analytics account and your Wix site. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Analytics 4. Open the official Analytics site, and you should be logged in automatically. If you're not, sign in with the Google account that owns your Analytics property. Once you're in, head to the admin area at the bottom left. In the Property column, choose Data Streams, then select your web stream for your website. Be sure it's the web stream and not an app stream. On the Stream Details page, look for the measurement ID. It starts with G, followed by a series of characters. Click to copy that ID to your clipboard. This is the only piece of information you'll need for Wix. Next, open a new tab and search for Wix. Go to the official Wix site and log in to your account. From your dashboard, locate the website you want to track and open it. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. Inside the site dashboard, click Settings on the left panel. Scroll or navigate to Marketing Integrations. This is where Wix centralizes connections to marketing tools, including analytics. In the Google Tag section, click Connect, and then choose Add Google Tag ID. This option lets you add your GA4 measurement ID through Wix's native integration, which is the recommended approach because Wix will load the script on every page for you. A pop-up will appear asking for your ID. Paste the measurement ID you copied from Analytics. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID. Those tiny spaces can break the connection. When you're confident it's correct, click Save. That's it. Wix will handle the tag installation across your site automatically. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate, and in Google Analytics, new data can take some time to appear. Don't worry if you don't see immediate numbers. Give it a little time. If your site isn't published yet, publish it so visitors can be tracked when they land on your pages. You've now connected Google Analytics 4 to your Wix site using the Google Tag integration. Keep your measurement ID handy in case you need to reference it later, and remember that consistent tracking helps you make better decisions about your content and marketing.